Where did HIV come from? The true origins of a global virus. HIV is one of the most significant viruses in modern medical history. But where did it actually come from? How did it first appear in humans? In this video, we'll explore the true origin of HIV, how it spread globally, and why understanding this history is key to fighting stigma and saving lives. What is HIV? HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It attacks the immune system, specifically CD for cells, which help the body fight infections. If untreated, HIV can lead to AIDS-acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It's important to know that HIV is manageable today with proper treatment, but understanding where it started helps us prevent future pandemics. The origin of HIV in animals. HIV didn't begin in humans. It came from a simian virus, a virus found in primates called CIV, or simian immunodeficiency virus. Scientists believe that CIV crossed over to humans through a process called zoonosis when a virus jumps from animals to humans. This likely happened when humans hunted and butchered chimpanzees for food in Central Africa, exposing themselves to infected blood. The type of CIV found in chimpanzees, CIVs, is the closest match to HIV-1, the most widespread type of HIV in the world today. Where and when did it happen? The earliest transmission of CIV to humans likely occurred in southeastern Cameroon sometime between 1880 and 1920. From there, the virus slowly spread south along the Sangha and Congo rivers, reaching major cities like Kinshasa, now in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, which became the epicenter of the early HIV epidemic. Kinshasa was a booming colonial city with expanding railways, trade, and migration, which unknowingly helped HIV spread. The first known human cases. The earliest confirmed human case of HIV comes from a preserved blood sample collected in 1959 from a man in Kinshasa. Genetic analysis decades later found that this sample contained HIV to 1 group M, the strain responsible for the global pandemic. Another early case was discovered in Manchester, UK, from a sailor who died in 1959 with AIDS-like symptoms, suggesting international transmission may have begun earlier than expected, but at the time, no one knew what HIV was. How HIV became a global epidemic. For decades, HIV spread quietly. As people moved through railways, trade routes, and sex work increased in colonial cities, the virus expanded. By the 1960s, HIV had likely reached Haiti, possibly through professionals returning from Congo after decolonization. From Haiti, HIV traveled to the United States, with the first recognized outbreak appearing in New York and San Francisco in the late 1970s. In 1981, the CDC reported unusual infections among young gay men. This marked the beginning of global awareness of HIV/AIDS, although the virus had been circulating for decades. HIV types and strains. There are two main types of HIV. HIV to 1, the most common worldwide and responsible for the global pandemic. HIV to 2, found mostly in West Africa and spreads less easily. HIV to 1 has multiple groups. Group M, major, responsible for 90% plus of global infections. Groups O, un, and P, rare, found mostly in parts of Africa. Each group likely represents a separate transmission of SIV to humans. Myths about HIV's origin. Over the years, many conspiracy theories have emerged about HIV's origin, including: it was created in a lab. False. Genetic evidence proves HIV evolved naturally from SIV. It was spread to target certain groups. False. HIV affects all races, genders, and sexualities. A polio vaccine caused HIV? Debunked. This theory has been thoroughly investigated and disproven. Science has consistently shown that HIV is a zoonotic virus, not a human invention. Understanding HIV's origin teaches us three major lessons. Zoonotic diseases are real and can emerge unexpectedly. Public health systems need to act early, not just when a virus becomes a crisis. Fighting stigma is crucial. Blame and fear only delay solutions. It's a powerful reminder that health is global and connected. HIV's story didn't begin in the 1980s, it began decades earlier, deep in the forests of Central Africa. But thanks to science, activism, and education, we know more than ever how to prevent, treat, and eventually end HIV. If this video helped you understand HIV better, like and share it. Subscribe for more real, respectful, and empowering health content. And remember, knowledge is protection, compassion is power.